Hello, today I'll be showing you how you can download custom content for your Sims 4 game. First, I have three options, three websites. The first one is thesimsresource.com. I feel like everybody knows this site. I used to only download custom content from this one, but then I found a few others. So let's first try the Sims resource. You can sort by categories. For example, I want hairstyles. And here we go, we have a lot of options. You can also scroll to the other pages. I usually download Maxis Match custom content. Okay, so I found a cute hairstyle for toddlers, so I'm gonna click this. You can also click see more and download, but I'm gonna click it. Then you can scroll down to the description and you can click on the notes if there's anything. Sometimes there's an extra mesh you need to download for this hairstyle to work, but this one is fine, so I'm gonna go and click download. Unfortunately, you need to wait for 10 seconds before your download is ready, and you can't be on another tab because then it will stop the timer, and when you go back it's still gonna be on the same one. But when the countdown is done, you can click download. You're gonna have to wait just a little bit. My PC might be a bit slower, but it's fine. And here it is. It's downloaded here. The next website we're gonna look at is The Sims Finds. I found this while scrolling on Google and finding other websites. This one is a bit more tricky because when you click to download something, you can click on it. It will bring you to another tab. Then scroll down and then click on download. You have to wait 10 seconds with this website too. Once that's done, click on continue and then wait 15 more seconds. I know this is tiring, but it is what it is. Once that's done, you can click on download, and sometimes it just downloads like that. Sometimes it brings you to another website like The Sims Resource, Patreon, Tumblr, or other websites. So the next website I normally use is CurseForge. CurseForge is great because you can download many things at once and you only have to wait for 5 seconds. So when you come to CurseForge, you have to select your game, Sims 4. You can search in the search bar. For example, I want to download toddler hair. As you can see, there's many. I already have some of these. I'm gonna find something that's cute. I really like this hair, so I'm gonna click on download. You can also click on the picture or the text here, it doesn't really matter. So here you're gonna scroll down, you can see the pictures of the hair. Usually there's a few pictures in the gallery, sometimes there's not, but you can click on gallery and view the pictures. Go back to the description if you want to see what it says. Here it says toddler hair, 16 EA swatches, hat compatible. Now to download it, you're gonna have to click on files. Sometimes there's gonna be more than one files here. The top one here, it means it's the latest version, so I'm gonna click on it and then click on download right here. You can also get the CurseForge app for your laptop, computer, or whatever. And there you go, it is downloaded. You have to wait 5 seconds though. At least it's not 10 or 15 seconds, so it's pretty quick, and you can download multiple custom contents at once. So what happens after you downloaded your custom content? Well, let's head over to your files. I have opened the folder downloads, and my mods folder. So usually when you download your custom content, it should be in your downloads unless you made it to be in another folder, but mine are in downloads. So as you can see, there's 2 packages here and 1 zip folder. For these packages, I'm just gonna select one. This is the hairstyle. I'm gonna find my folder in which says hair. Here it is. You can open it, or you can just select this one and drag it in the hair folder. The next one is the shirt, so I'm gonna find clothes. Here it is, and I'm gonna drag it inside. So for the compressed or zip folder, you're gonna have to select it, right click and select extract all. Now you can select the folder you want to extract your files in. I usually extract the files in the downloads folder, so I'm gonna click extract. And then once it is extracted, it shows up here. Select both of them and then put them in the hair folder. And then you're done. You can delete these because you won't really need them. So delete them. Yeah, that is all. Now they should be in your game once you play The Sims 4. If you have any questions, please do comment in the comment section. And also subscribe if you feel like this video was helpful. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.